On semmonen asia, että jos joku ei tiennyt, että olemme ehdolla Bon Jovin jämpäriksi Olympiastadionille, niin me olemme ehdolla sinne. Ja arvakkaa, olisiko pikkusen hieno lähteä sinne Olympiastadionille. Wow! Silloin veditte sitten aika kova show, vai mitä? No, näin tehtäisiin. Mutta hei! Muistakaa käydä meitä äänestämässä, nimittäin homman nimi on se, että 10 parhaan joukkoon pääsee bändejä. Jos me ollaan siellä, Bon Jovi itse valitsee sitten lämpärin 10 joukosta. Ja tällä hetkellä me olemme toisena tässä äänestyksessä. Ja kolmantena siinä niin mennään. Kiitos teille ja kaikille äänestäneille. Me luotamme teihin! Okei. Seuraava biisin nimi on Why Don't You Love Me Anymore? Levybiisejä mennään, joo! It doesn't leave me wonder, is it fair? It comes around and leaves when you're lost. There's nowhere I fight when you make me leave. Gaze moving in your eyes and moving slowly. When you know the love is ending, I run. Why don't you love me anymore? Why don't you love me anyway? I love you. Why don't you love me anymore? What can I do? It doesn't let me down. Why don't you love me anymore? You say goodbye. Why don't you love me anyway? I have to die. Only heaven knows who has to realize. It doesn't let me down. It's not around and it's too late. I'm dead inside the souls all around. You must remember you tell you do what I love you. You must remember you do what you do. When you know the line is ending, I wonder. Why don't you love me anymore? What can I do? Why don't you love me anyway? I love you. Why don't you love me anymore? What can I do? It doesn't matter now. Why don't you love me anymore? You say goodbye. Why don't you love me anyway? I have to die. Oh, heaven knows who has to realize. It doesn't matter now.
Keep those.